Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to charge Samsung and the power and volume keys ready. This saves time. First, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Once done, tap and hold power off until safe mode prompt shows. This forces a reboot into safe mode for diagnostics. Make sure you're on the device account that has admin access because some options require it. This gets you into safe mode quickly so you can identify whether apps are the issue. Now try a normal restart. Press and hold power, then choose Restart. This often exits safe mode because it clears the temporary diagnostic state. If that doesn't work, power off completely, wait 30 seconds, then power on. This forces a full boot sequence rather than a soft restart. Once rebooted, check Settings, Apps to spot any misbehaving third-party app and uninstall or disable it. Doing this removes the cause, so future boots won't fall back into safe mode. If safe mode persists, uninstall apps installed just before the issue, remove one at a time, then reboot to test. This isolates the culprit. If instability continues, back up data and consider a factory reset because corrupted system files may force safe mode. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition. This clears temporary system files without erasing data and often resolves boot looping safe mode problems. If none of this works, contact Samsung support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.